Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a super fun haul. I have a lot of things that I want to show you guys from Myntra, Nykaa Fashion, and so many other random things from Instagram stores. So let's get started, and I'll leave all the links in the description box, so don't forget to check it out and the sizes as well. And if you enjoy such videos, and I have a lot of hauls coming up and fashion videos and so much more, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll also leave my Instagram handle here. You can see quick updates there on how I style up these outfits and even fun hauls there as well. Let's begin with something interesting. So this jacket is from Saaki, Samantha's brand, and it's a beautiful jacket. So basically I wanted to do like a dedicated review, but then I don't have too many options in my size. Like the general kurtas, I don't think they would fit me, so I ended up ordering this jacket, and the quality is really good and I really like it. And surprisingly, the prices are quite affordable. Most of the kurtas are priced from $6.99 or so, and they go up a little high for some of the festive wear and sarees. And this jacket, they are priced a little high, but they do have a lot of basics. So I guess she was going for that everyday use kind of a vibe for working women or for casual use. So I guess it fits in really well, and the quality is great. I love the design. Initially I thought this was going to be embroidery, but it turned out to be print. But however, I think the quality is really good. It has a little bit of this lace detailing here, and I think they have a sale currently. This is priced at $399, which is quite expensive, but the jacket is so versatile. You can wear it in so many different ways. I think it comes with a yellow dress which you can wear it with, which you can pair it with. But I got just the jacket, and I wore it with a off-white dress, a strappy dress, and you can wear it with like your kurtas, or you can wear it on skirts. You can style it in different ways. You can even style it with a saree. I will try and do like a video on Instagram where I show you guys different ways I like to style something like this. The quality is really good, and it's cotton, and it has a little bit of texture detailing here, and overall it's great. I think the price is a little high, but I still think it's worth it. So that was about Saaki. I would definitely recommend trying out something, especially if you're a Samantha fan and you like such basics and beautiful colors. I think the selection is really good. However, I think most of the things were either out of stock or the collection was quite limited when they launched, but I guess they will expand since it's just the beginning. Now moving on to some crop tops. I got this one from Nykaa Fashion. I think a lot of you guys asked for the link for this one on Instagram, and I was wearing this as a blouse with one of the sarees that I was wearing in a reel. So this is a very pretty one. It has this really beautiful embroidery, and it's sort of a crop top with a little bit peplum detailing here, but you can wear it as a blouse or you can wear it as a crop top too. It has like nice buttons here and very beautiful detailing here. It does come in a set. It comes with a similar colored skirt, so you can wear them separately or you can wear it as a set. So I got this off Nykaa Fashion, but I think it's available even on Myntra. I really like this one. I would definitely recommend trying out this brand. I think I got this in XL, and it's from Juniper. I think this was also one crop top which so many of you guys were really fond of. So this was a very nice pick, I would say, because it's again a very versatile piece. You can wear it as a blouse, or it's a little longer also. I would love to wear it as a crop top too. I did a whole styling video on Instagram just styling this one with different outfits. I wore it with a skirt, I wore it with a saree, and basically it was a video on how to style crop tops for plus size or like curvy bodies. And yeah, I will leave the link to it in case you want to check it out. I really like the ruffles that it has here. It's very pretty, and it's from this brand called Indus, I'm not sure but they have really nice crop tops. Do check it out. They're on Myntra, and they do have their own website too. I really like the fit of this one and the fabric and everything. It gives a very pretty look. Next we have one more crop top. I think this is also from the same brand, from Indus, and this one looks quite traditional, very beautiful. It has all this gold detailing, and it has a little bit of ruffles going on at the end of the sleeve. It looks so pretty. Again, it can be worn with skirts, can be worn even with sarees as a blouse. Looks really pretty. And at the back it has this buttons detailing. So in the same fabric, I think in different colors they have few options. I wanted to get a full sleeves ones because I don't have any blouses or crop tops in full sleeves. So I'm definitely going to try this and style it in different ways. You can see more styling videos on my Instagram. I think that was it for the crop tops. Now some more kurtas from Myntra. So this is our next beautiful kurta. I think I did post a reel wearing this on Instagram. So this is like a gown basically, and the fabric is really soft and nice. Very comfortable one, and it has this digital print at the bottom. It has a nice flare to it. So it looks very pretty when worn. A little bit casual, but a little bit festive, or like, you know, something a little fancy too. Looks really nice. And this I think is from the brand AKS. Yeah, I really like AKS kurtas as well on Myntra. So I got this off Myntra, but again, it was available on Myntra, Ajio and other sites too. So this is our next kurta. This is also, I think, from AKS, if I'm not wrong. Yes, this is also from AKS, and I got these during sale, so I think this is generally a little expensive because it has this brocade detailing. But yeah, make sure to get it during sale. I think currently they have sale because of Black Friday. I wanted to do this haul before the festival, but it was just not possible. Some of them arrived late. So yeah, it has this brocade detailing, and from the waist it has these frills, sort of in a pleated way. So it's like a gown, but you can wear it as a kurta as well. And this is the back. It has like a really nice V neck with this sort of a detailing. It is sleeveless. I don't think it comes with sleeves. So the fabric is quite nice. The quality is good, really good for festive season. You can wear it as a gown or a kurta, or probably even on a lehenga or a skirt. Looks really pretty. I think this is available only in one color. I got it off Myntra. So that was it from Myntra mostly. I did get some accessories, but I'll show you guys those in a different video because I didn't want to make this video super long. And I also have some things from Ajio which I've ordered, so you'll see an Ajio haul very soon. So this is from Meesho. I have already shown this in some video, I think, my Diwali get ready with me video. It's a very pretty peach ruffle sari. It has this embroidery all over. And at the end it has these gold balls. So this is sort of like that lace which is attached all throughout the sari. So it looks really pretty, and the quality is actually quite good. I think it's worth the price. So they do have some threads coming off from this embroidery, but I think it's not too expensive, and for the price I definitely felt that it was worth it. It can be a fancy sari that you can wear. So you can't pleat the sari. This is a ruffle sari, so you just have to like drape it around and you'll see the ruffles like a skirt basically. Yeah, I quite like this one, and I felt the quality is decent enough and good enough for the price. But yeah, like I said, they do have some threads coming off from the embroidery, and it's not a lot of them, but let me just show you. So this one, I'm not sure you can see, but they do have like 1 or 2 threads coming off. It's that kind, like one odd places where that's happening, but it's not a lot. This is the blouse that it came with. I haven't gotten it stitched, but I think it is really beautiful. It has this foil detailing which looks like mirror. Oh no, it is actually mirrors. It has this mirror work and looks really beautiful. The colors are so gorgeous. This is for the hands. Looks lovely. I think it's really good. The work for the blouse is really beautiful. Next I have something from an Instagram store. This is a coord set. I don't have a coord set in this type. I have like a pantsuit from Jain, which is a coord set. So anyway, so this is an Instagram store. She's a designer, and I think she does have a boutique. I'm not really sure, but I'll leave their details here. It's called the Polka Dot Store, and she wanted to do something different. So I was looking for an Indo-Western outfit, and she gave this idea of a cord set, and I don't have one, so I thought I'd try it out. So this is the top. It comes with a zipper at the back, a really nice gold zipper. This is again a very versatile piece. I really like the fabric. This is sort of like organza. It's a quad set. It comes with this palazzo. It's these neon colors, and this is the top part of the palazzos, and I think this is georgette. I'm not sure. So it's a 3-piece quad set like this. You can wear it in so many different ways, especially with the crop top. You can wear it as a jacket, you can wear it as a blouse with sarees, you can wear it on some other colors too. So I did a video on Instagram. I will leave the link for that. I've styled this in different ways, so you can check it out in case you're interested. But I do have another saree which I got from Saree Liner, and this is the blouse for that one. It is sort of like that raw silk kind of fabric. It's a pretty decent quality, I would say, and it has a lot of margin, so it would actually fit anyone. And the saree is also quite good. I haven't washed it yet. So many of you guys asked me on Instagram about the quality, so I will insert a picture here. I was wearing this in a couple of videos on Instagram. I don't think I've posted anything on YouTube yet, but I think the quality is good. It's kind of a plain red saree with gold borders, and they have this in different colors. They have it in green, and they have it in pink, and so many colors on their website. I've seen this in some other websites too, so I'm not sure if it's an original concept as such, but the quality is actually good, and it is very easy to drape, and it's very lightweight, and you can wear it with a contrast blouse. I was wearing it with a green blouse, which made it look even more festive and beautiful. Because I was trying it out for the first time from this website, I thought I will do a cash on delivery, but then I ended up paying, and there was no issue as such. So yeah, I would recommend this site. Even if you're trying it for the first time, I would say try COD whenever you're trying a new website. But overall, I like the quality, but although I haven't washed it yet. So that was it for today's haul, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of haul videos and fashion videos coming up, and also find me on Instagram for quick updates and a lot of fun fashion hauls there too. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.